Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will explain about the ringtone settings, how you can change the ringtone or how you can set the custom ringtone of your device Realme 9i. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video without wasting any time. If you want to set any custom ringtone or if you want to change the ringtone, you can do it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand it.